So these are the versions of Mongoose. Sometimes you may need to install a specific version, not necessarily the latest version. So to do that, you run npm install mongoose, then you put an @ here and set the version. Let's say 2.4.2. Now we can see our package.json is updated, so we have installed Mongoose version 2.4.2. And also, if you run npm list with depth set to 0, you can see in our node modules folder, we have Mongoose version 2.4.2. Now here's a small exercise for you. I want you to install _ version 1.4.0. So go ahead and do that, because in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to deal with two outdated packages.